Hello जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड एक्शन कैम और कैमरा पहुंच गया है। तो ये उसका माइक है और ये उसकी वॉच। तो लेट्स चेक आउट व्हाट्स इनसाइड द कैमरा। ये है जी S6 Legend Air कैमरा with 2.0 टच स्क्रीन, 30 मीटर वाटर रेजिस्टेंट, gyro anti-shake and 4K cam resolution at 24 fps. So let's check out what's inside the camera. This is the cam. It's SG6 Legend Air. It's a waterproof case which comes with it, and you can open it by pressing the button. And this is the cam, SG6 Legend Air. And there is a battery compartment. Let's check out the battery. Battery is 1000 mAh. I hope it works better with cam. And what's other inside the box? There is a charging cable, and it's another holder for cam. It's an mount for the bike handle or anything round shape, and it's a touch back door, waterproof touch back door. There is another mount for the helmet. I have installed one on my helmet, which is Adonis, and it works perfectly fine. You can tilt the mount direction, and there is another mount. It's the lens cover. It's the same. Two mounts are same, and it is another mount for the flat surface. The helmet surface is curved, so it is a curvy mount, and it's a flat mount, another mount, and the same. And this is the manual. There is a one handkerchief for cleaning, and there is a sticker. Let's turn it on, the cam. There is a power button. It's here, and you can press it for 3 to 5 seconds, and it's come with this manual. And it's a touch screen. You can have settings from setting button, and this is a setting button. There is an option of photo, time, lapse time, resolution, loop recording, low light mode, gyro sensor, outro, volume, timestamp, video file format, bitrate, double file, sharpness, color, metering, distortion correction. There are a lot more settings, and you can watch the recorded. There is no image because there is no memory card. It's a slot for memory card. You can put your memory card over here, and let's see the result of the camera. I have recorded some images on my previous tour with this camera, so let's check out the result. There is an option you can click still images along with the In setting mode, you go for setting, language, FPV, fast record, auto power off, keypad tone, screensavers, frequency, logo, watermark, Wi-Fi, power on mode, default setting variant. In setting photo lapse time, if you set for 5 if you set for 10 seconds and start recording, it will take images after every 5 seconds. Or if you whatever you set the time, it will record images after that interval of time, 1 minute, 30 seconds, 10 seconds and 5 seconds. You can set the resolution, it's 4K, 2K, 1080 and similarly 720 and VGA. And the loop recording 3 minutes, it will record a loop of 3 minutes. After every 3 minutes it will stop recording and start a new file. And similarly low light mode, if you are working in dark, so you can turn it on. Gyro sensor, if you turn it off, this video will be shaky. And audio, you can turn it on or off. The mic setting, volume of the speaker in your video, and video file format, you can record it in MP4 and MOV. And bitrate, high, medium, low, and sharpness whatever you require for your video. White balance, color, normal, retro, BNW. And similarly distortion correction, if you turn it on, it will automatically correct the distortion of the video. So this is the setting of the main menu. You can go for other settings like language, which language you want. These are the settings of the camera, and the previous one are the settings of the video. You can use your date and time and adjust it over here. And format, if you want to format the camera, FPV TV mode, auto power off, how much time do you want to turn it on. If I select 10 minutes, it will turn it off after 10 minutes. Keypad tones, light set, screensaver, frequency, rotate, if you want to rotate vertical or horizontal, and logo, watermark, Wi-Fi, it's a Wi-Fi cam, you can turn it on over here. Default setting variant, this is the SJ6 Legend Air version 1.2.3. Then there is this mic, it's compatible with SJ6, SJ7 and SJ360, and you can use it for better quality of audio. Let's open it. It comes with a meter long wire, and you can put it over here in the USB charging cable. Now you can test your mic with this voice. And then there is this watch, it's a Wi-Fi connection with the camera. You can control your camera remotely with this watch. It comes with a power button and a Wi-Fi button, video, still, in the camera. It's a burst mode. So let's check it out. I have turned on the camera, and with this power button it turned off, simply turned off. Let's turn it on again, and now I am gonna press this video button, and this will record video, and this is the video button. Now you can see the time had started and the video record started, and I press this button again and it stopped the video at 07. Now click on the still image and it took an image, and with the Wi-Fi button it turned on the Wi-Fi settings of the cam. And now check out with the burst mode. With the burst mode it will take the burst of images like 5 to 6 images, and this is the compatible watch of the SG6. It comes with a power cell. You can change it to when it becomes weak. And this is the SG6 Legend Air cam along with mic and a watch, and it's these accessories used for different purposes. I hope this review finds you a good understanding of this cam, and I must say it's a must buy thing for the tourists. Thank you so much.